experiment number 5 to study of reactive power compensation using STATCOM. Okay, now this is the practical number 5. Okay, now here we have to require active power and reactive power components. We have to need here. This is the theoretical data is there, and also we have to need VI characteristics of static VR compensation and STATCOM. Okay, now this is the theoretical part is here. STATCOM means static synchronous compensator. This is the shunt device used in flexible AC transmission system. Okay, now this is the just theoretical part of STATCOM. This is the circuit diagram of STATCOM. That is, we have to need here active power and reactive power component of STATCOM. Okay, now this is the STATCOM VI characteristics with respect to that is called as STATCOM characteristics. This is the difference between STATCOM versus SVC. This is the simulation diagram is here. This is the STATCOM diagram and this is the SVC. Okay, now here this is the symbolic diagram is here. Now we have to need output of STATCOM. Okay, now this is the output result of STATCOM. Okay, now first waveform for STATCOM and second waveform for SVC. Okay, now this is the voltage characteristics of STATCOM. Another is voltage characteristics of SVC. Okay, now we have to need MATLAB simulation. Okay, now we have to require MATLAB simulation. Okay, now this is the MATLAB simulation is here. Okay, now this is the connection diagram of STATCOM. This is the connection diagram of SVC. Now here we have to check output of STATCOM, that is voltage, then require active power and we have to need reactive power component. Okay, now this is the STATCOM symbolic diagram. This is the SVC. Okay, now here we have to consider equivalent network, that is we have considered generator. Okay, now this is the bus bar, this is the transmission line 1, transmission line 2, and this is the load, that is, and then we have to connect STATCOM across transmission line. Then we have to check maximum voltage of STATCOM. Okay, now this is the waveform is here. Then we have to check output of STATCOM and SVC. Okay, now this is the output waveform of STATCOM. So now we have to check here okay, now this is the output waveform is here. Now we have to check output waveform. Okay, now these are the waveform we have to check here. Okay, now this is the output waveform.